Hello and welcome back to Introduction to Geology. My name is Paul Eric and I teach physics, astronomy, and geology at Ozarks Technical Community College in Springfield, Missouri. And this series of videos is the lectures that I give to my students in Introduction to Geology. So in this series of lessons we're starting a new unit, and this is going to be all about geomorphism. So this is going to be about how does rain and wind and snow and ice and gravity carve up the surface of the earth. So this is going to be in your textbook, Interlude F, an introduction to landscapes and the hydrological cycle. So, in order to understand how does wind and rain and snow and ice and gravity carve up the surface of the earth, we're going to need to know something about climate. And so that's what we're going to talk about first, is weather and climate, and then we will talk about how does that influence landscape development. So your lesson objectives are: explain the following about weather and climate, the structure of the atmosphere, what is it that heats the atmosphere, what causes atmospheric pressure, what causes clouds to form, and what causes global wind systems. Okay, then explain how the hydrological cycle affects the climate, explain how the geosphere affects the climate, explain how the biosphere affects the climate, and list some types of landforms and explain what controls their formation. So out of your textbook, Essentials of Geology by Marshak, read Interlude F. Okay, let's take a break, and when we come back, we're going to talk about what causes weather and climate.